Hey, and welcome to the 100th video in the series. This is the PuffPuffPrint how to wrap tutorial. Thanks for joining us. Now before you get into all that, you're going to want to clean your whole Puffco off. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. So you're going to take some isopropyl, some Q-tips, get anything you have on your Puffco off. Any excess wax, all that jazz. So, never double dip your Q-tip. That's what I gotta say to you. Never double dip the Q-tip. It's important not to double dip your Q-tip. It will make your isopropyl last much longer and be a lot cleaner. So that's something you always want to worry about. So here we go. We did the right side, now we're doing the inside. Get another Q-tip. This side in first, get under here, get over top, get the front side. That carb cap tether really makes it so if you're not being gentle with the Puffco, it is going to fall. And knock some wax onto some part of your Puffco peak packs. Packs, just turn around, either way. Done with that. So now we are getting here, and here, get interior walls. There. No double dipping. I follow my own rules. No double dipping. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your silicone separator or mold that holds the Puffco, and you're gonna just clean it because that thing is dirty. That thing is dirty, dirty 30. Anyway, so pull it back a bit. You can get it in there. Slide it around. Oh, look at that! Just look at that! Look at that! Just tons of stuff. You want to double dip one more? No double dip. No double dip. No double dip. No, no, no. There. Still dirty, but better. Now let's do one more of these. Maybe one day whoop, that thing broke. Ha, okay. So now let's just dry it off. Get some drying in. One more dip. One more dip on the rim. Rim dipping. Rim dipping. I don't know what I say if it's a gay word. It's not something I say cause I'm just gay hard. I don't know what it means. I don't know what it means. Na 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 na. Okay, let's get to the wrap. Don't forget to. First thing you're going to want to do is find your middle line and peel that up to expose the print. From there, you'll want to peel your print up. There, you're going to take your Puffco and you're going to locate that middle line. So, as you saw in the first one, it was kind of problematic. Didn't really get what I needed to do done right. I didn't get all the creases out. That's what happens when you have no practice. So, what we're gonna do right now is crease the prints before we take them off the vinyl. Alright, That will hopefully guide us. So now we're going to peel off number 2. We are going to line up that line with center. Very careful with these tabs. Don't want them to crinkle too much. Alright, got one side somewhat done. Now at this point, you're going to figure out which side you want to have the crease on. I'm going to choose the left side, simply because I see the left side less. How he do that? Got a crease here? Not cool at all. Get that out. Don't want creases like that on mine.
As you can see, it looks very nice. Not the perfect, but the good. Also, the glass is looking better, as you can see. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, comment. You watch this cloud get chalked in Chalk City, yeah. Peace out, fam. See you next time. Jak się masz?